Hi everyone, this is Miss PC and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is a very glossy, glowy kind of makeup look, basically the clean girl makeup look except the hair. Also, I want to say that I have used very minimal basic kind of makeup products and you can replace all of them with whatever you have, so it's gonna be a very easy peasy makeup tutorial video. So don't skip any part so that you don't miss out any important process of this makeup look. And I just wanted to thank you guys for 1K subscribers. Like, I'm so grateful. I love you guys so much. So let's start the video step by step and I hope you'll enjoy it. Okay, so I'll just pin back my hair like this first. Always start your makeup with the skincare. So first I'm using this moisturizer. This moisturizer is prescribed by my dermatologist. It's been like 3 years I'm using this moisturizer, and it also has SPF 30 which gives sun protection, which is really good. So I'm starting off with this concealer. I'm just gonna put this all over the marks or any scars I have on my face. I'll also use it over here underneath my eyebrows, over here and over here. So I'm just tapping it now. Concealer is my go-to makeup. I always use concealer. My base is done. I usually do this much on my skin for the base. I don't use foundation, but today as I'm making a whole video, so I'll be using the foundation. I'll be using this Maybelline shade 115. Just gonna put a little bit over here, this much. Also, I'll be using this highlighting primer to give that glowy, dewy, glossy makeup look. So just little bit this one as well. That's it. I'm just gonna mix it. It got a really nice watery texture, which I like. Let's blend it out. As you can see that my skin is already looking glowy. I'm not sure if the camera is capturing the glowiness, but it's already looking glowy. Now I'm gonna go with this loose powder from PAC. This step is really important for my skin type because it's oily. I don't want to use much powder to my skin today because I want that dewy, glowy look. Using too much powder leads to matte finish look, so I don't want that. I'll just use it on some of the places where it's actually needed. It seems like it was needed everywhere. Next, I'm gonna go with this eyeshadow. I'll be using this one and this darker shade at the corner of my eyes. Now I'm just gonna use this lighter shade to blend it out so that it doesn't have any harsh lines. You know, I always mess up my eyeshadow. That's why I never do it. Now I'll just take this shimmer shade and put it like this. I always put the eyeshadow shimmer with my fingers because it gives more nice look, as you can see. And I'll also be putting some eyeshadow shimmer at the corners of my eyes like this. Now I'll use a thin line of this eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner from Lakme. I'm just gonna draw a very thin line at the corner of my eyes. Just like that, one and done. Not same, but we can make it same. I used to be pro at putting eyeliners before. Trust me, when I was a kid, I used to do eyeliner very much. Now I'll use this kajal underneath my eyes. Don't worry, I'm not gonna put it over all my eyelid. just here at the corners to make my eyes look more nice and big. You can see the difference. Finishing my eye look with this mascara from Color Bar. You need to be very careful with your mascara because one mistake and it ruins everything. My makeup has been ruined by this mascara many times. I still make mistakes with my mascara, but just saying. Done with the mascara, you can see that my eyes look so good. Now I'll shape my eyebrows a little bit. First I'll just brush them off like this. Now I'll just fill in wherever it's actually required. I hope I didn't overfill, or maybe I did. Okay, my eyebrows look nice. Now I'm gonna go with my lip liner. Now you need to be very careful with your lip liner also, because one mistake and your lip shape will be changed. Now just blending it out like this so that there is no harsh lines. I'm gonna use this lipstick. It's a very bright pink kind of color, so I'll just use little bit. Just that much. You can use any lip color which suits best on your skin tone. Bright color goes best with my skin tone, but I'll also use this little nudish kind of shade to balance it. Just like that. You can see that the color has changed. Now the game changer, this lip gloss. It's from Zudio. I know I have not made the Zudio haul yet, but I'll make it soon. This is a clear lip gloss, so I'll just use it like this. Now I'll just mix it with my finger. This is the lip I made. In one of my recent videos, I did this lips and everybody was asking me what lipstick you're wearing and what gloss. So this is it. This is how I did my lips. It's very easy peasy. So as our motive is the glowy glossy look, this cannot be done without this product. This is the highlighter. So I'm just gonna put it on my cheekbone like this. I love this. Some on my nose bridge, some over here, some under my eyebrows. Oh my god, I forgot one thing. Guess what? Blush. How can I even forget this? Sorry, I had to use my finger again because it didn't get blended with that thing. That's pretty much it for my makeup today. Let me just open my hair and show my final look. Just ignore my hair. I'm just having a pretty bad hair day. Just focus on my makeup today. I think I did pretty good with my makeup, just like we wanted the dewy, glowy, glossy makeup look. I think this tutorial is really going to help out you guys. I hope it really does, and I also hope that you like this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also let me know in the comment section what do you want to see next and how I did with this look. And if you want any kind of makeup looks further, also share this video with your friends and family, like whoever needs to see this. Also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out any updates. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.